allow me fixing everything on because there is always something to fix. Kercher DS5500 Kärcher. Yeah, this brand DS5500. Most stupid vacuum that I've ever seen. We'll dismantle it. I will salvage the motor from the inside. So there is two clips here. I'll show you on the other tire because it's gonna be easier, and I'll just train on this one how to take it out. But there is two clips. I'll actually show you now. Can you see them here? They need to be squeezed. Can you see? You can't see here as well. Anyway, imagine that you're squeezing the two tabs on the inside. Come on, go out. No, just break it. There is a screw right underneath it, otherwise I wouldn't even bother. But I don't think Germans designed that. I think Italians. Italians, did you design that? It's like I'm not gonna talk. I'm just getting pissed off. So. Where's my big screwdriver? There we go. This one here, this one there. I like Henry vacuums, nice and simple. And the big ones. So, did they put the torques? I don't know. You see? Of course they did. Of course. What am I even thinking? And now it's sure now. Torx T20. I'm definitely not putting this one back together. No, I bought Kärcher because I think they're reliable. I think they're a nice brand. I think this, I think that. I think like 10 years ago I bought a Kärcher pressure washer. It blew up. The plastic cracked after 2 years, and it was still in warranty. I replaced it. 1 year later, the brand new one, I didn't even use it once. It's cracked in the same place. No water in the winter. How does something? No. And I bought this one because it was cheap. I think I paid 15 euros and €5 delivery. And I know it's used. I know they beat the hell out of it, but. Where is the front part? Where is the front screw now? Do you think it's hidden underneath here? Could be. But oh yeah, it's definitely hidden. Can you see these two poles that go to the top? They're definitely hidden. But is it hidden from this side or hidden from the bottom? I don't know, we'll check. But I didn't expect the design to be so bad. Anyway, Torx and deep one as well. You can't put a normal torch, you need to put it close to the sun. Did I say T20, yeah? I don't think my one is that deep. No. No problem, no problem. I'll prepare a special bucket here that I'll fill up. I'll fill up and I'll throw it in the... Look! It doesn't even... Okay, no problem, no problem. No problem. Let's go from this side. No, I feel too much of that gypsum on my hands and it dries out my skin. And it makes me angry. So just put some gloves on. I'll just pull it down and I'll crack it open. Now, you know, the knob on this one is not working. Not only the design with the filters and all that stupidity, but the knob is not working. If I have to, well, someone's been here before. Let me just crack it on the floor. I told you. No more screws in there. So you're supposed to... Why is this one so much overexposed like that? You're supposed to undo the two screws if you have a screwdriver that is long enough. I don't. Am I missing out something? Maybe, yeah, maybe the handle here. Let's check. Yes or not? Oh yes, that's the button here. Actually, there is a flathead screwdriver. I'll take my words back on the Torx. There is a flathead screwdriver as well. Maybe I should have tried harder. Okay. Maybe I should have put a aspirator on. Aspirator. Am I missing out on something? I don't think I am. That's not disassembly. That's destruction. Okay, and then 4 screws here. I run out of space as well. Oh, there we go, that's the motor. Good. And now you can either replace it or you can chop it away like I'm going to do. This is exactly what I need. Almost the same. Model number is Domo 490-19159 MKM 7417. I have seen better. But this one will be fine. Okay, I'll just put it here to the side. What else we got here? This rubber. There is one big seal, I'll leave it here. don't see a model number. Very interesting mechanism. There we go. And we got to the button which is not working. And does it just pulls out? Yeah, it just pulls out. This one is completely gone. And there is a resistor or capacitor here. That's it. I hope it's helpful to you in any way. I'll just vacuum all the rubbish now. Anything else here that can be helpful to you? Anything on that rail? This rail sometimes is problematic, but I'm not gonna... Can I take it apart? I don't think I can. Sometimes, because there is two contacts that make contact here, you might need to open it. Sometimes the problem of not starting could be right here. Whatever, get rid of it, and that's gonna be your best choice. Anyway,